Morning walks to the coop are the best. Let's check on our chickies and do our chicken chores for today. When I did my weekly feeder check, I found that their feed needed to be refilled. They always get so happy when I do this. And then I take a quick peek at their calcium supplement feeder. If you have hens that are 20 weeks or older, make sure that you have a slow release calcium supplement like these oyster shells from Scratch and Peck Feeds. I recently found out that these oyster shells are sourced from the West Coast, and I love that they're not bleached like other brands. Now it's time for some fresh water, and they really love this part too. And then before I go, I check the nesting box for eggs and give the girls a little love before I end the day.